What's his name there, William? Your partner here? Hang on for dear life, man. Reggie? You say Reggie?
Reggie. Get the fish warm, Reggie. Smoking that cigarette, buddy.
Don't give him his head, man. Take him down. Get him. We got Reggie live from Carolina. That's it. Put your back into it, boy. There you go. How them guys can smoke and wind them, I don't know. They're tough. They're tough son of bitches. I can't keep this camera steady, man. This is crazy. Come on, where's the net? I know he's looking for the net now.
Y'all just walking proud of you. That's my truck.
All right, all right. Don't let it get back into Virginia waters. That's what I'm talking about.
All over it. Gotta keep the line tight.
He's out there like mine. He got that long line out there. He's above my film.
Pause on it.
He's out there. I know it. That's what I'm afraid of. Yo, Kevin! Somebody! Now we're in trouble. Yeah, I see his fish coming up. The other guy. Reggie. Reggie's getting close. Come on now.
Hey, come on.
Come on, up! Fish on!
Oh, the lady, get your fish head on, man.
Good luck, guys. Good luck.
Stand up, man. What do you mean? Huh?
Man, this is nuts. I'll see some fish up. Bring them up, bring them up.
We
got 3 on.
We got 3 on.
3 on. I ain't seen nothing on board.
3 on. Come on, Reggie. Don't let him beat you, man.
Oh, we got one coming up on the side.
Come on, Reggie.
Oh, he beat you. He beat you, man. Roger, there we go. Come on, Reggie. You're fighting for second place, man. Come on.
Is there another one on?
Man, Kevin's got his up already. Look at him. Nice job, man. Nice job. There we go. There we go.
Get that cat out of the
Just
fish.
like that, Kevin. Just like that. I want to see what Reggie's got on his, man.
Get him up to you, man. Don't let him get in that hole.
Fight, fight, club him.
Way to go, KG.
KG does it. Man, you made that look easy. I hate you. Way to go, brother. Way to go, man. Way to go. I want to see what Reggie's got. There you go, Reggie. Nice job. Nice job. We'll see him drop that thing in the cooler.
Is this a restroom right there?